le nostre stelle latine, che si esibiscono per voi in un mix show dance.
It's a new 30, baby, you a rockstar. Dale veterana que tú sabes más de la cuenta, no te hagas. Teach me, baby, I better yes. Freak me, baby, yes, yes. I'm freaky, baby. I'ma make sure that your peach feels peachy, baby. No bullshit bras. I like my women sexy, classy, sassy, powerful, yes. They love to get a little nasty. Ow, this ain't a game, you'll see. You can put the blame on me. Dale muñequita, ahora ahí, and let it rain over me.
Yeah. When I walk on by, girls be looking like Debbie Fly. I pick to the beat, walking down the street and my new freak, yeah. This is how I roll, animal print pants out control. It's Red Bull with the big ass bra, and like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. Yeah, this is what I see. Everybody stops and staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a Jazzy Fizzle production. Listen, the princess is here. Sierra.
This beat is
automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy, came to party. Grab somebody, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2, stop, stop it. Everybody get on the floor, bring the party up. We about to get it on. Let me see 1, 2, step. I love it. 1, 2, step. Everybody, 1, 2, step. We about to get it on. Outrageous, so contagious, make you crave it.
Jazzy made it.
So retarded, top charted. Ever since the day I started, strip my stuff and yes I flaunt it. Goodies make the boys jump on it. No, I can't control myself now. Let me do my 1, 2 step.
Grazie, e andiamo avanti con l'ultima coreografia della maestra Simona Russo. Si tratta della Choreographic Show Dance Latin delle Stelle Latine, che concludono così l'esibizione di questa sera. Eccole a voi. E grazie anche alle nostre stelle latine che ci salutano, grazie per essere state con noi. E io chiamerei sul palco la maestra della scuola Univers Dance, Simona Russo, accogliamola con un applauso. E nel frattempo vi ricordo che la Univers Dance si trova in via Rettifilo 137-139 a Linera, Santa Venerina, perché è qui accanto a me che vuole dire qualche parolina. Ti lascio il microfono.
Buonasera a tutti, io ci tenevo a ringraziare il signor Aldo che ci ha invitato stasera qua in questa splendida piazza, il club Arcobaleno, e volevo ricordare praticamente i nostri incontri. Avremo un'altra esibizione sempre con il signor Aldo, il club Arcobaleno, il giorno 24 nella piazza di Fleri.